Hello, everybody. This is Profe John. Welcome to week 3 of our 7-week course, UNIV 101, Introduction to the General Education Experience. Let's see what we have for this week. So, as usual, go to D2L, select our course, and make sure to check the announcements and the emails I have sent you. Before, also, make sure to check the time of our class. Although it's an online class, we have strict due dates. So make sure to use Arizona time, basically it's Mountain Standard Time. And make sure also to check the calendar. In the calendar, you have all the information about the due date of the things we have, discussion boards, reflections, readings, etc. And you can help yourself with the blue dots you are gonna find, and also planning ahead. That's important, just because we don't want to have everything at the same day it is due, and you can manage your time better, as we have seen in our discussion post this week. So go to content for this week, and as usual, make sure that every single module has a check mark there. It means that you have completed 100% of the course, of the content of that week. So for week 3, just make sure that you complete all the items are listed there, and also make sure to complete the readings. The readings are an important part of this class because they are expected to be connected, meaningful connected with your reflections, your weekly reflections, and even your discussions if you want. So the readings are an important part of this class. You don't have to connect all of them with your reflection, but at least you have you should be able to mention some similarity, differences, experiences you have, and you relate to the readings of the week. Again, don't panic. I know that sometimes it can be overwhelming to have an online environment, learning by yourself, being accountable for your time. So you will be fine. Make sure to follow the sequential guidelines we provide you with. This week we have where I am now. So you're going to explore the start here button, and then you have the objectives for this week and what are the expectations in terms of assignments and submissions. Check the due date, that is for the readings. You don't have to complete them, all of them in a sitting. You can start one by one. You can distribute them one per day if you want, as efficient you see it. Also, make sure about the reflection. And in the reflection, again, this is important that you follow the guidelines for write down the reflections. And also, if you have any doubt about the points you received, check their grading rubric. There we have the explanation of that. Also, we have the feedback. Make sure about it. And also, yes, the due date of the reflection. You can submit it the very last date, or you can submit it in advance. It depends when you finish the readings, which is an important component of the reflection. This week also we have a video and an activity that you should access to, and make sure about the videos we have, because some of them are going to ask you questions within. So you should be able to respond to the question they ask you there. For the discussion, again, we have an internal schedule for the discussion where you start posting on Thursday. You come back and check your peers' contributions, and then the final day, the day it is supposed to be submitted, you should be able to respond to the questions, comments your peers have put there, or even if you don't have any comment, put a reflection of what you have learned across the other discussions post. The due date is there, and again, make sure to follow the guidelines. The expectations are there. These activities by completion, but it means that you have to complete one of the all 4 of the expectations for this activity. You have the due dates here. Keep in mind those dates, and the participation expectations for the discussion. If you have questions, doubts, make sure to follow, to set an appointment using my office hours. And Remember that we have a cycle in this class. Check the announcements, emails, review the expectations, and look for improvement. That's the thing we have here. Thank you so much. And as this, I'm being grading your submissions or the discussion posts have been graded. Thank you so much for your contribution. The reflections, I think that by Wednesday, I will be done with them, with the grade and with the most important part, the feedback. So you can check them out on the grade tabs in the column feedback question. Comments, actually. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful rest of your week. Bye-bye.